Imagine holding the absolute future of tablets right in the palm of your hand. For years, you probably thought Apple completely forgot about the iPad mini. It truly felt like the neglected, forgotten child of the entire iPad lineup. But everything is about to change, and the iPad mini 8 is getting a massive upgrade that will completely shock you. Apple is finally giving it the undivided attention it deserves. The biggest surprise is not just the outside design, but what is happening deep on the inside. It is finally ditching the old, outdated LCD screen. Apple is bringing a stunning 8.3-inch OLED display to the new Mini. This brings incredibly deep, true blacks and vibrant colors that pop right off the screen. It makes your movies, photos, and high-end games look unbelievably lifelike. Surprisingly, the iPad mini is getting this premium screen before the much more popular iPad Air. Apple is actually doing this to quietly test brand new display tech on a smaller scale before putting it on their bigger devices. But the screen is just the beginning of this crazy update. The brain inside this tiny tablet is getting an absolutely massive boost. Rumors heavily suggest it will feature the insanely powerful A19 Pro chip. This is the absolute bleeding edge of mobile processing power. It offers an absurd amount of speed for a device this incredibly small. This powerful chip is built entirely from the ground up for demanding future Apple Intelligence features. It completely ensures your small tablet will run lightning fast and stay relevant for the next 5 years. Now, brace yourself for a highly secret feature that sounds exactly like a science fiction movie. Apple might actually do the unthinkable and remove the speaker holes entirely. You might naturally wonder how you will even hear your audio. Supply chain reports strongly suggest a world-first, revolutionary vibration-based audio system. The entire metal frame and glass body of the iPad mini will rapidly vibrate to produce high-quality sound. The tablet itself literally becomes the speaker. This wild move could easily make the iPad mini 8 the absolute most water-resistant iPad ever created. You will never have to worry about water or dust getting inside those tiny holes ever again. But it does raise some big questions about overall sound quality and if the vibrations will make your hands feel weird when you hold it. Even with all these futuristic changes inside, the outside will still look very comforting and familiar. It perfectly keeps the sleek, all-screen design we love, with the Fast Touch ID sensor hidden right inside the power button. However, the black borders around the screen will be noticeably thinner. The whole tablet will also be much lighter and thinner overall, because new OLED screens are far less bulky than old LCDs. So, when does this futuristic device drop, and what does it actually cost? Production schedules point to a massive global launch in the second half of 2026, likely around the busy September or October window. It will launch right alongside the brand new iPhone 18. This makes it the ultimate companion device for serious power users. But there's a painful catch to all this premium technology. The price is definitely going up. That friendly $499 starting price tag is almost certainly gone forever. With the gorgeous OLED screen, the sci-fi speakers, and the massive A19 Pro chip, you should fully expect it to start at $599. So, is it actually worth the extra money? In my absolute best opinion, yes it is. The massive jump to a vibrant OLED screen alone completely changes how you watch daily content. When you add in the crazy speed of the A19 Pro and the ultimate water resistance, this becomes a pro-level tool that fits right in your jacket pocket. This is exactly the massive upgrade we have all been desperately waiting for. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below.